Well, I wasn't going to do it, but I'm going to do it. The old new Pittsburgh 2-ton low pro jack. I believe it's a new model. See how it stacks up to the Daytona 3-ton. I just opened the box and already, there's the handles and stuff. But already he's telling me I'm probably going to have to work on it by taking the pump cover off and adding oil, which I don't have. So we're going to try it without it. Boo. Okay, and in all these things, you got to take this block out. Okay, there. Got the dumb thing out with a pair of pliers. Bye-bye. Throw the old handle in. And I just got rid of a 2-ton jack. I sold it on Facebook. It's because the old 2-ton jack I had was the exact same size and weight as that 3-ton. You just get tired of lugging around a 75-pound jack, and this 2-ton here is somewhere around 50. You do it long enough, it makes a difference. Okay, then pinch my finger. Ow. Yep. Finger pinched. Alright. Alright. And conveniently on the side here, it's got the bleeding procedures spelled out for us. Alright, bleeding. Turn handle counterclockwise, remove 4 screws. Open the oil fill plug, top off the oil, apply pressure to the saddle, pump several times, check oil, top off again, replace the plug, and give her a go. So, not these, but this guy. And of course, it takes a different screwdriver. There we go. And I just saw a bubble pop out there. So we got our release valve is open. I see stuff happening in there. And even with the release valve open, getting a little pump action here. I'll be honest with you though. I'm just going to try it. Doesn't look too bad. And I don't have any oil anyway. Wish I had known that when I bought it. Okay, plug back in, and pro tip, take that O-ring off of the jack body itself if it stayed stuck on there, and put it back on the fill plug before you put that in. Okay, we've got her tightened down. Let's see what we got here. Don't mind my nasty yard mowing shoes. Yeah, and that works just fine. There you go. So, I'm going to give this thing a spin here next few weeks. See how it does. A little closer look, you can see it's just a much smaller unit, which is exactly what I wanted. I paid $90 for it in the ubiquitous parking lot sale that is or isn't really much of a sale. And you can see it's pretty low. But you gotta hand it to that 3-ton. I think the saddle on that sits lower than the 2-ton. Otherwise, it looks like they're more or less the same height up until the back here, and it looks like the Pittsburgh's lower, which makes sense, and quite a bit shorter and quite a bit lighter. Like I said, it's 23, 4, 5 pounds lighter, and when you mess with this stuff all day long, it makes a difference. If you don't need the 3-ton, use that 2-ton. Save yourself a little bit of wear and tear. And as far as the handles go, just a shade shorter, maybe not even an inch or so. So there you go. Unprofessional, unscientific, yet real world first look / review of the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh 2-ton, low profile, slate gray hydraulic floor jack. Thanks for watching.